So before I actually put any shiplap on the island, you want to make sure that the sides are nice and flush. Now in my case, I had a small lip there in the front that you can see, but I ended up finding out that with 2 pieces of hardboard there, it was just enough and what we needed to make it nice and flush, so we'd have a smooth surface to put this shiplap on. So after I had all the sides with the lip furred out, it was time to move on to the trim. Now to attach the trim and pretty much everything in this project, I used liquid nails and 23 gauge pin nails. Alright, so when it comes to making the corner trim for the island, the only extra thing we need to do is make sure that we cut the width of the trim from one of the pieces so that when we connect them, both sides are the same length. If you don't do this, one side's going to be longer than the other when you connect it, and it's not going to look right. So it does get a little repetitive with the whole thing being put together with liquid nails and pin nails, but it is simple. It's a quick project that you can knock out on the weekend. So I'm gonna let the rest of the video play out. And if you guys like seeing videos like this and you're interested in seeing some other renovations around the house, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also leave a like, that's much appreciated. And I'll talk to y'all in the next one. So I've learned a few things when it comes to caulking. First off, you want to lay a small bead of caulk. Less is more. Then you want to keep your finger wet when you go to smooth it out. And this is the key point, because if you've ever done this before, you've probably seen that once it starts to dry out and crumble, it gets messy and it's just a headache. But if you keep your finger wet, you'll get the best finish and it's going to come out looking real smooth.